Hey everyone, for this one we're just going to look at a quick overview of all the cool things you can do with Excel. So here are some of the basics. What we're going to do is we're going to create a really quick business. Let's call it Jed's Hot Dog Business. I'm going to show you guys how quickly you can create fantastic tables and really visualize your data. So let's call this day. Let's call it day 1. And we're going to plot this for 30 days. So, I mean, on paper, you'd have to write this out 30 times. Excel, I'm already done. So let's go hot dogs in stock, right? In our next one, we're going to say hot dogs sold, okay? And the third one, we're going to do hot dogs remaining, all right? So if you own the hot dog business, these are the basic things you're going to look at, okay? So again, if you wanted to do a random set of data, you'd have to think about it if you did it on paper. In Excel, we can do random sets. So let's do random set between 11 and 20. This is great for when you just want random numbers and you just want to see what it's going to look like when you're done. So that's already done. Again, 2 seconds. Let's do that for the next column. Done again. Let's change this one from 1 to 10. Alright, so there's our set. Now if you wanted to do this calculation and go hot dogs in stock minus the hot dogs you've sold on paper, you got to get your calculator out and do it one by one. In Excel, you can do it so quickly. Let me show you. That minus that, enter. Then we do it for the whole thing. Alright, let's copy this and make it a value. And there we go, we've already calculated it. Now, if you wanted to make this look pretty, it doesn't take that long at all. So let's do it now. Let me show you guys how quickly and how powerful this program is. Okay? So, I don't know how long the video's been running, but we're pretty much done. How quick was that? It's such a cool program. Now, this isn't all. We can do some other stuff too. So let's create some graphs. Let's start with a really cool line graph. Alright? Let's plot this for 30 days. Let's go add. Let's do how many hot dogs we have in stock as we go throughout the 30 days. Alright. And then we want to say for 30 days. There we go. And, I mean, look how quickly you can create data. Fantastic stuff. I mean, if you did this in 5 minutes for your boss, they're going to love you. Now, you can do this for different things as well. Let's give it some color. Look at that. Let's give it a background. Let's give it a gradient fill. Don't like that one. Let's give it this one. Look at that. I mean, that took us 1 or 2 minutes. Let's create another one quickly. Let's this time do let's do some sums actually. Let's figure out how many hot dogs we have in stock and hot dogs sold. Now, if you wanted to add all these values up in each column, God, you'd have to go 12 plus 14 plus 19 plus 20. Excel does it for you. So let's do that now. Boom. Done. That's how good it is. Now, you know what the weird thing is? This hasn't got any formatting. So we have to go in and change the formatting. But no, not in Excel. We just go like that. And straight away we have great formatting and we're done. I don't know any other program that can move as quickly. So let's create a pie graph this time. Let's do this graph. Right, let's fill it in with some data. Let's do this one. Oops, wrong one. Let's do this. Then for the next value, let's do this. Look at that. I mean, this program is insanely awesome. Insanely awesome. Let's give it some cool artwork. Let's make it red. Right? Let's give it some coloring in the back. Let's do light blue. Boom. There you go. Crazy good. Let's do one more. Column graph. Let's do that. Let's do a 3D column graph. Alright, for our last example. Alright, let's add some data. Let's do hot dogs sold. Like so. And days. Look at that. How long have we been filming? 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Look at that. And let's do another thing. Last one before we go. How many programs you know can do this? Hot dogs sold. You can't really see which one's the highest or which one's the lowest, right? Well, check this out. Boom. Look at that. That's the highest, that's the highest, that's the highest, that's about midway. And you can do it with different colors as well. Check this out. We can go color scales, right? And if you said, well, I only want to get which days where we made the most sales. You just use filtering. Boom, there you go. We made it on day 4, 6, 11, 19, 20, and 28. My God. And what did you see? The graph's updated. Incredible program. So I hope this gives you guys an idea of the cool things you could do with this system. Hopefully I can see you guys soon and we can do a lot more teaching and a lot more learning. See you later.